Israel PM Netanyahu, I am Sachin Satish Hilge from Gargoti, Kolhapur. I am not rape, I am not balatkar, I am not sex with military man wife. Only charge on me. Yours microspy on my body. Daily, day and night torture me. Give Iranian medicine day and night. Please stop it. Thank you. In my near Gargodi police station, Gargodi police not interested to inquire me since 2019 to 2026. But in 2019, stick plastic in my throat by Antarang Hospital, Kolhapur, by Dr. Vivekananda Kulkarni. That plastic in my throat since 2019 to as it is dead. I remove half plastic in my throat. Indian PM Narendra Modi not interested after my letter in Marathi and Hindi language to PM Modi about microspy in my body and my email to Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis about microspy in my body, and this case is not swallowed by Gargodi police. Thank you.